Hey everyone! Did you know that in the US, some credit cards actually pay you just for using them? That's right, with the right cashback credit card, you can earn hundreds of dollars every year just by using your card on everyday purchases, like groceries, gas, or online shopping. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 best cashback credit cards in 2025 that are beginner-friendly, have no annual fees and offer up to $200 bonus cashback. How does cashback work? Let's break it down. Cashback means you earn back a small percentage of what you spend. So if you buy $100 worth of groceries and your card gives 2% cash back, you get $2 back. Just like that, it may not sound like much at first, but over time, it adds up, especially if you pay bills, shop online, or commute regularly. But here's the key. You must pay your balance in full every month. Otherwise, the interest you pay will cancel out your cashback earnings. 3 things to do before applying. 1. Check your credit score. Use free tools like Credit Karma or Experian. Most good cashback cards require a credit score of 670 plus. 2. Don't apply for multiple cards at once. It can lower your score temporarily. Be strategic. 3. Pay your balance in full. Avoid interest completely and enjoy the full benefit of your rewards. Top 5 cashback credit cards for 2025. Chase Freedom Flex 5% cash back on rotating categories like groceries, gas, dining, $200. Bonus, after spending $500 in the first 3 months, no annual fee. Choose it. Great for people who don't mind activating new categories every quarter. 2. Citi Double Cash Card, 2% cash back on everything, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. No categories to remember. No annual fee. Choose it. If you want a simple set tan, forget card. 3. Wells Fargo Active Cash-In. Super simple, great for people who want consistent rewards on everything. 4. Discover It Cash Back, 5% cash back on categories that change every quarter. Cashback match. Whatever you earn in your first year, Discover will match it. No annual fee. Why choose it? Perfect for students and first-time cardholders, easy approval, and great perks. 5. American Express Blue Cash Every Day, 3% cash back on groceries, gas, and online shopping. $200 welcome bonus. No annual fee. Why choose it? Ideal for families or people who do a lot of home and grocery shopping. How to maximize your cashback. 1. Stack with cashback apps. Use Rakuten, Dash, Honey, or Fetch to boost your cashback even more. 2. Avoid impulse spending. Only use your card for things you are already going to buy. 3. Enable autopay. Never miss a payment and avoid late fees. These smart habits help you earn more and pay nothing in interest. Final thoughts and what to do next? So there you have it. The 5 best cashback credit cards for 2025 that let you earn money while you spend. No annual fee, big welcome bonuses, cashback on everyday purchases. If you use even one of these cards wisely, you could earn $500 to $1,000 per year without doing anything extra. Comment below and tell me which card you're applying for. Also, let me know if you'd like a video on travel rewards or business credit cards next. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more weekly personal finance tips.